What is up, guys? TSL here, back with a brand new video. In today's video we will be doing something very different from anything we've done on this channel before. In today's video we will be trying to make a game in 1 hour, and basically I will be scripting the game in 1 hour, and this guy, this circle, my friend, he is basically going to be building the map. Now if this video gets enough views and enough likes, I will do a 1 hour challenge, making a game in 1 hour, but this time by myself, and I'll basically try to make what we made here today but by myself in 1 hour. So it's definitely going to be a lot harder, and I definitely won't make it as good, but yeah, so that you guys don't have to watch a whole hour-long video and take forever to watch, I will basically be just checking in with you like every time something new has come. Not every time, and yeah, you'll see. And then at the end of the video we'll be testing the game, so stick around for that, and basically I'll see you later in the next update. Alright guys, so our first check-in, there's about 41 minutes and 50 seconds left, and just gonna do a quick check-in on the map. So basically my friend has started on the map, and I guess it looks like some stairs that lead up to a button, and this button will start making something happen. Not really sure what his plan is yet. And then I guess this will be to get here, and there's also going to be another way to go to get to that button, and then it's all going to come to here and go to the vent. So yeah, it's looking pretty nice actually. Gotta give him credit for the short amount of time. You know, it's not gonna look that great because it's an hour build and we're trying to get as much done as possible. So the design isn't our biggest priority right now. So anyways, that was a quick check-in. I'll see you guys soon. What's up, scripters? We're back with another check-in. It's been quite a while. We have 20 minutes and 40 seconds left in the challenge, and I really haven't gotten anything much done. I'm actually almost done with the elevator. We just needed to teleport us to the map, and quite a bit of progress has been made on the map. So we got the first map. Nothing moves yet, so you see these are going to be buttons, these dark blue things, and these with the red balls and the toothpaste colored parts will be moving parts, going back and forth. So another button here, and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, it's coming along pretty good, and we can actually just give it a quick playthrough real quick. I actually haven't played this map at all yet. Alright, so we do have a spawn point there, so let's try this. Now, like I said, nothing moves or does anything yet, so these buttons don't work and stuff yet. But this, you would click this, and then this would move back and forth. Also, I keep forgetting to make the water do damage, but we'll work on that. Then we'll have to make these vents, of course, close and open. And then we're in the next world, which we can take this way, and it's not finished yet. Or we can take this way, which is also not finished, I hope. Alright, well, that's the check-in. I'll see you guys soon. Alright, boys, we got 3 minutes left in the challenge, and the maps are done, but the elevator is still not working. So this is gonna be a close one. I don't know if we're gonna finish. I doubt we are, but we're gonna try it anyways. So yeah, we'll be back shortly with the finished results. Let you know if I finished the elevator, and then we'll test it. So see you guys then. Alright, boys, we did it, and boy was it a close one. We barely finished on time. I totally forgot that I had to make the water do damage. Totally forgot I didn't do that yet. It really came down to the wire. 0 seconds hit right as I was finishing scripting the damage for both waters. Also, we totally forgot to put a water in the second world, so that's also what I was doing in the last 10 seconds. It really came down to the wires, boys. You're going to want to see the results of this. It's actually pretty good. Honestly, guys, though, I really underestimated this challenge. I really thought it would be a lot easier to make a game in 1 hour for some reason, but it is so hard. It is actually really hard to make a game in an hour. It is fun though, so it could be a little stressful, especially if you're doing it with the partner and you get stuck on something. So yeah, it could be a bit stressful, but overall it's really fun, and it's good way to learn how to script on Roblox, which is what this channel is about. So make sure you subscribe too and leave a like. Also, remember I said I'm gonna take on this crazy challenge by myself if we get enough likes. How about we make it like 50 likes on this video, and I'll try this challenge by myself. So let's show you the results of the testing. Here we go. Alright guys, this is the moment you've all been waiting for, the testing of the 1 hour flood escape build. So the elevator in the intermission, it's a bit glitchy, the countdown, as you can see it's going down extremely fast for some reason. Also the teleporting is a bit delayed, that's not my fault, that's Roblox's fault, so don't bully me for that. So here we are, we're in the map, so we go straight up and we press this button, the parts move. So the parts do move a little weird, and that is because of their rotation, and we don't have enough time to make it, to find the right values on both axes, the X and the Z, because that would just take too much time, which we did not have during this 1 hour build. So these doors, the other door will open soon, and there it is. The other one's there. Remember, this was an hour build. It's gonna be glitchy, and as you saw right there, the other door didn't close yet for some reason, but yeah. So in the next world, if we go up here and press that button, we can now walk across here and then do these jumps to get to this platform. We'll walk up here and we go through the last vent, and we made it to the end, our winner's area. So we didn't have any time to do any fancy code puzzle thing like they have in the actual flood escape. Remember guys, this was an hour-long build. We didn't have much time at all, so obviously we would not get it done, a lot done, but I think we've actually done pretty good for the amount of time that we had. I was off to a pretty rough start with scripting, but everything turned out okay in the end. Came down right to the wire, guys. Like I said, this was a really fun challenge, really hard challenge, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Remember, if I hit 50 likes, I will try this by myself. So see you in the next one, guys. Subscribe, comment below what you liked, what you didn't like, if you think I could have checked in more, which I definitely think I could have. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.